time for some adventure, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
So we just arrived, guys, to this beautiful location, and I'm not gonna tell you where we are going yet. I wanna keep it as a little surprise, but it's so beautiful and a lot of nature, and we never been here before, so it's a surprise for us too. So let's see where we end up here. We just wanted to have a nice hike in the nature, see something beautiful, and yeah, we just packed our stuff today and say let's go. It's Saturday and we can have some fun in the nature. And Ewan is reading something. It's some kind of like a track. Oh wow, it's showing that you can find crystals here. Wow.
So we should be on the lookout. Oh, and Relva is here. So that's where Relva is, if we just keep going.
Wow.
Wow, nice.
I think we can walk for very long time. It looks like a crazy route here. Let's go.
Wow.
Oh wow, how many trees are fallen. Look.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Look at this magical spot, guys. Wow. And look at this beautiful waterfall. Let's go closer. Wow. And the other side, wow, look how clear it is. Wow.
Let's continue.
So now you see, guys, where we're going. We came to see the waterfalls and we hope to find some more. Let's go up to the trail. Wow, we found this house. What is it?
Abandoned.
Wanna see inside?
Yeah, you can see inside. I wouldn't go in though, it's all broken.
That's very crazy.
Hello.
Actually, something very scary, guys. Yesterday we watched the movie Blair Witch. It was about nature, getting lost.
Yeah.
And this crazy abandoned house.
Yeah, like
and
this.
now stepping into this house, I'm like, oh my goodness. Whew. I hope it's gonna be all good. We're gonna be alright.
Oh yeah.
Good. What is there? I think maybe there is more water.
Yeah,
Or...
this is the path, but let's see.
Okay. Wow, how beautiful is here.
Oh wow, look, yeah.
Oh, there is more water.
Oh wow, look.
Oh wow, there is the waterfall. It's hard to see, but wow. Wow, guys, look. Wow, we're getting closer. Let's go closer to the waterfall, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, these stairs are crazy. So beautiful here. Wow. Wow.
Look at the color of the water.
This is so beautiful. Wow.
Whoa, look. Wow.
Wow. Wow. I wanna go sit on that rock down there. You see? And just shower. Wow, guys, it's so beautiful here. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we came. Wow, the water is so clear. We have to go in. We have to go in, even if it's really cold. We are going down, guys, to take a cold dip. It's gonna be crazy. I have to be careful here.
Yeah, look at these
It's
stairs.
crazy stairs. You could not even call them stairs. Are like, yeah, roots. It's actually really cold here. And the sun, I saw the sun over there, but we are like surrounded by these huge rocks. So we don't get any sun right now. It's gonna be chilly. Ooh, what we are doing. Wow. Let's go. We can do this. We can do this. Ah, there is space to put it here. It's been a very long time for me since I took the dip. I don't know.
Yeah, nice. Already, I can feel wind.
Oh,
Oh, I want to do it so bad,
okay, let's do it.
but I'm so cold. We are warriors. Alright, just in, no break, no stopping, just in. One, two, three. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
That was crazy, guys! Ooh! It was so cool, so calm. Ooh, but so nice, so alive. Did it, guys? We did it.
We did it.
You know, it's so hard to say to your mind, just do it, just go there, you know. But the moment you go into this cold water, at least for me, everything disappears. Like all the thoughts, everything I was doing, everything is just like this quietness, you know, like emptiness. And it's such a beautiful, a minute or 2 or 3, how long you can stay there to be. It's just like so beautiful. And you're just so present with yourself, with the water. Nothing else exists, and why you should try it too, because it's just wow. You don't need any plant medicine or anything else, just pure cold water. You can even do it in your shower, and wow, I'm so happy we did it. It was really challenging, but we just went for it, and wow. Thank you, magical water. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are going to hike a little bit more up so we can get some warmth in the body, and there is some sun shining, so let's go. Thank you, Waterfall. Oh, so beautiful. Wow. So happy. Wow. And very cold, so let's keep the body moving. Oh, I can see the sun. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's go. So nice with the sun. Wow. Look at this opening. Wow.
Back to our roots.
Yeah. Wow, guys, we're getting to the top of the waterfall here. Wow, and this opening. Here.
Wow, look.
So beautiful. And we met some people on the way, and they were asking did we went into the water, and we said like, yes, did you heard us? Because we were like screaming and breathing and really, yeah, getting ready for that. So it's a little bit funny, but people get inspired and surprised that, yeah, you can do things like that. Guys, we went all the way down to see. There is 3 waterfalls actually. It's coming from the top and going down, and then there is this big one that we were going into. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Wow. You can even go more down here, but I don't know how extreme I want to go today. Wow. We're going to explore a little bit more further just to see what can we find more, and then we're gonna, yeah, go back. Look at, wow, guys, look at this, how much water is here, and there is another waterfall. Wow, this place is absolutely amazing, and we live 30 minutes from here. 30 minutes. Oh, where we've been earlier, but now we are here. Now we are here. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys, this was such a beautiful adventure. We kind of decided to go home to get warm. We need something nice to drink. So I will say thank you so much for joining us today. I hope so you liked it. And I'm just gonna send you so much sun and love. See you next time.